Welcome to the Activism, a satirical drama that ventures into the wild world of social activism, where animals take on the roles of activists, championing various causes with passion, fervor, and a touch of absurdity. It's a narrative that roars with humor, prowls the complexities of activism, and satirizes the sometimes contradictory nature of advocacy, all set within the confines of a zoo. The Activist Zoo is no ordinary zoo. Here, the animals don't just lounge and laze. They rally and raise their voices or roars, chirps, and howls for causes close to their hearts. Meet Lenny the Lion, the self-proclaimed king of activism, who champions the cause of sustainable hunting. Only eat what you can catch, he roars, while advocating for ethical carnivory, much to the chagrin of his herbivore neighbors. Then there's Paula the Parrot, who's all about freedom of speech. Perched high on her soapbox, she mimics and amplifies the voices of other animals, sometimes causing confusion with her mixed messages. Jerry the giraffe stands tall for animal rights, often literally looking down on others, while Benny the bear advocates for better hibernation conditions, demanding uninterrupted sleep and better cave insulation. Amidst the cacophony of causes, we find Ellie the elephant, who's fighting for unity and understanding among the activist animals. We may have different trunks, tails, but we're all in this zoo together, she trumpets. As visitors wander through the Activist Zoo, they're both amused and bewildered by the animals' antics. Some animals form alliances, like the Predators for Peace Coalition, while others engage in playful debates, like the herbivores versus carnivores dietary discussion. The climax unfolds during the zoo's annual activist assembly, where each animal presents their cause. However, amidst the passionate speeches and dramatic displays, chaos ensues as conflicting interests collide. In the midst of the uproar, little Timmy, a young visitor, innocently asks, "Why can't all the animals just get along?" This simple question prompts a moment of reflection among the activist animals. The Activist Zoo concludes with the animals realizing that while they may champion different causes, they all share the same goal, a better life within the zoo. United by this common purpose, they form the Zoo Unity Alliance, symbolizing the potential for a collaboration and understanding amidst the complexities of activism. It serves as a satirical reflection on the challenges and contradictions of advocacy, prompting viewers to ponder, in our zeal to champion individual causes, have we forgotten the larger goal of collective well-being?